Okay, so Lisette, you're coming to this game na you had your first win last game. So ano sa tingin mo yung mga adjustments na nagawa niyo? What did you do differently na nanalo kayo as compared to your losses?
Kasi diba, nung mga previous game, sobrang dami naming mga service error, yun. Yun yung pinaka, main adjustment namin nun sa last game. Kasi nga, sinabihan kami ni coach na, kumbaga, service pa lang, kailangan bigatan mo na para, makapuntos ka agad.
Okay, tapos ngayon, ano sa tingin mo mga importanteng kailangan gawin para matalo naman yung Adamson?
Siguro sa tingin ko, saka sa tingin namin, kailangan namin mag-focus talaga sa kung anong gagawin mamaya at saka sa receive. Siyempre, hindi importante yun at saka yung kung paano namin sila tatalunin is yung utak namin para na matalo namin sila.
Okay, thank you and good luck also later. That was Lisette Dawis of the UE Lady Warriors.
Thank you very much, Bea. Lisette Dawis coming off her most productive game so far this year, 11 points, backing up the production of Bulan and Nebrida, who have really come alive for Coach Boy.
And Lisette mentioned something. What they did was really focus on their serve. Sabi nga niya, service pa lang, kargahan na. And that gave them the advantage. Remember, against NU, they served 8 service aces against only 2 for NU. So that really is a big boost. And that really, shows the mentality now of UE. Talagang they want to score the points even off the serve, which is a very aggressive attitude, and that's what you want from a team at this level.
At lamang na nga, UE dito. 9 serving 8 of the Pineda attacking error. Ilang na sila dun sa blocking. Again, there's just more organization right now in the game of the UE Lady Warriors as Dawis serves this one wide. Good for them,
Yeah, that's true. You're right. When you said that this lineup basically has been together for 3 years, 4 years, so of course we expect a consistent improvement in their game. Pero sa nakita nga natin for the past 3 years, it seemed it stagnated. We sort of expected the same every year. Pero this year, it's really a big surprise. Big improvement.
Sheila Pineda attacking for a point. Up by 1, 9 serving 10.
Oh, she is so deceptive. Sheila Pineda looks so parang she's not that tall, she's not that built athletic, pero grabe pag tumalon at pumalo ang lakas.
Athletic, very athletic. We saw promise already last year nung hinugot siya at lumipat siya mula RTU. Kinlog over receives. Makatuno just composed there in the net. Easy to underestimate her, but she has done such a wonderful job for Adamson. As Pineda again. Nebrida with the dig. Rosale. Pineda again. And she finds a spot.
There you go, out-jumping the blockers of UE. Not giving up. Gets blocked the first time. There you see her take charge of that second attempt.
Native of San Juan. San Juan lang yan dito.
Malapit na, walking distance lang.
Very much. At least dito siya lumaki. Pao Soriano. Tizon. Makatuno. Back to Soriano.
There's a net.
Somebody hit the net and I think it's Pao. Her hand.
Almost 100%. Wala na mga amin dyan sa mga yan. Bihirang-bihira yung...
Ayan.
Ayan, there you go.
Lapit niya dun sa ating first referee. So, dikdikan na naman ang laban. 11 all. As we expected. Zapanta finding a hole. Uy, buhay pa ang bola.
Masangkay saving that.
And it's Soriano with the off-speed. Great coverage for UE. For matching Adamson here toe-to-toe. That one is out.
No touch from the block. A clean hit. And that went straight to the outside.
Yui now leads
Yui ahead here.
12-11.
12 serving 11. You know, Yui,
Ooh, close. Very close.
Serving for Yui.
unang laban nila, ay hindi, yung laban nila against Ateneo. Remember, they pushed Ateneo also in
Yeah.
that first set, 26-24.
That's true. Then nawala na lang ng
Oh.
gana pagkatapos.
Sign of things for them under Coach Boy Anistan. 12 all. May makatulong. Serving for Adamson
Jennifer
University.
Makatuno.
Rosale trying the power tip. She's not been the go-to person for UE this year. It's been Brida and Bulan. Zapata sends it over.
Off the block by
Well,
Rosale.
Rosale,
Point
when
for
I look at
UE.
her, she I think gained some weight.
She did.
Yeah.
I mentioned that the last time, and it
That's
has
true.
affected her game. But she has played a role here for UE. Iba na yung role niya, and
Yeah.
I don't know if it has anything to do with her
Zapata.
fitness or it's Coach Boy's system. But just imagine if she can get back her fitness with this team. They're gonna give a few teams, problems here. Especially yung mga teams na hindi katangkaran. Yan naman katulad ng yung mga Lasal na medyo na, diba, alam naman natin
That's
na
true.
they can beat you so many ways, obviously. But if UE goes up against, the NUs, obviously, the USTs, the
Yeah.
Adamsons, mahihirapan nila.
That's true.
Makakasungkit pa siguro ng
That's
panalo.
true. That's true. And they just did that against NU.
Correct.
And now they're up against Adamson. In fact, they have the lead here in the first set.
Right, 14 serving 13. Now it's tied. As Kinlog and Guevara combine for that block.
Very tall center blocker for Adamson and Guevara. Great coverage.
Successful block by Guevara.
And great
Gives
read on the
Adamson
offense
ball.
of UE.
Zapata with the serve.
Masangkay back set to Jimberly off the net.
That
No touch
ball
from the
is
block.
It's off the net.
Point for Adamson.
Pineda rin, slimmed down from last year.
Yeah. That's true.
Not that she was,
Yeah,
overweight last year, but parang nag-improve pa lalo.
Look at how Pineda blocks. Elbows over the net.
Taas, oh.
Taas.
She reminds me a little bit of Benting in terms of her leap.
Yeah.
Wala pa yung attacking style, but her leap, though. 16-14, lamang ang Adamson.